What's up, guys? Running this raffle for Rishi. We had a charity raffle. Looks like an awesome amount of support here. 205 spots, $205 raised for Hiccups charity. Awesome, guys. We're live. Time here in Cleveland is 1:22 p.m. Let's grab our 205 spot list. Very nice. There we are. All the way up to 1. Cool. Dice going to need to be more than a 10 on this. Drop 3 dice. And that's a 9 or roll again. There we go. We'll go 12 times on this one, guys. Good luck. 1. 2. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. 11 times. The dice roll was a 12, so next click has 3 winners. Good luck. 12. Joshua Barrasso, Charles Richardson, Dustin Voss, you're in the top 3 spots, and I believe that yeah, 3 spots here. Number 1 gets Hiccups. So Joshua got Hiccups. Charles Richardson, you get the Dodgers bobblehead. And Dustin Voss got a Eric Karros bobblehead. We randomized 12 times. The dice roll at a 12. Time here in Cleveland now 1:25 p.m. And so we are done at 1:25. Thanks, guys.